this particular theme we have chosen is Rama Katha Natham. So mainly all the kritis are based on Valmiki Ramayana. Can you hear me?
Only to Korea, Kathar.
Yes, Gita.
Okay. So it's based on Rama Katha Charitram from Valmiki Ramayana. So we have tried to capture up to first three kantas, start with Bala Kantam, then Ayodhya Kantam and Aranya Kantam a little bit. And also lots of emotions are there. Rama's birth to the emotional, the beauty of Rama and Lakshmana playing, and then we'll move on to the Sita, like Janakapuri Vijayam, where Rama's beauty is described and admired by all the people. And we'll move on to Sita Kalyana, and how Sita is really like Sita Rama, how they like each other, that kind of emotion. So from there we will also move on to the bhakti shown by Guga and Bharata, how he really comes to Chitrakoda when Rama goes and he begs him to come back. So this bhakti is admired by Guha. So I kind of will go up to Chitrakoda for this session, and so if time permits later, some other time, some other session. Thank you. So, okay, with that said, I will move on to the first one. We'll always pray to Kuladevam. Then here Rama as a Kuladevam, we will just start to pray and then Mamaka Kuladeva Mari Chandaka Mamaka Kuladeva Mari Chandaka Maruti Sevita Shri Raghava Mamaka Kuladeva Mari Chandaka Maruti Sevita Maruti Sevita Shri
Geeta ji, sorry for interrupting.
Ah.
Your right side and left side, the mic was not very loud actually, it's very low.
Right and left.
Right and left, both.
Close
Okay.
it. Keep it close.
Oh, close. Keep it closer. Yeah.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Can you hear?
Hello?
Can you ask her to say something?
Hello? Can you hear me now?
No, it's very low.
Very
How
low.
about now?
I think you need to come front and
Hello?
On
Is this better?
set your right to your height, so it will
Adjust the height.
yeah.
Oh, turn it on. Oh, it was not on. Oh, okay, just try.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, now I can.
Okay, now turn it on.
Yeah.
That is on.
Yeah,
That is
yeah,
on.
yeah.
Last
Okay,
one is
okay.
on.
Okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
You also try.
Hello? Can you hear?
Yeah. Take it.
Is it, yeah? Okay. Okay. You know this one second. Can I take some more? Start. Yeah, one second.
Start reading.
Yeah, we'll go to the next one. This song talks about Rama being born in Kataka, Lucknow, and Chitra Masa, and
Home.
yeah. All these stanzas describe a lot, everything about how Rama is born and how he is the Gambhira, collective Gambhira, like a Gambhira Nada. So it talks about the whole thing. Kausalya Bhavani Hiranyamaya Sabhamatye Javolantre Grinandam Gamani Zavatmavadanja Shavyakta Sambhashanam Narara Vakra Vibhushanam Narabadirananda Samvardhanam Maya Raita Vaiva Griti Bhaje Tvameva Me Swaminam Me Swaminam Dasharata Pramukha Nishita Charajita Nirjala Mandala Pratanaya Dasharata Kalita Yagyamagotsava Samaya Samarjita Munijana Krubaya Vijayate Bhagavan Shri Raghuvamse Sakala Charachara Mangala Karana Kalpita Dharma Rakshana Kamaga Satya Swarupaga Satya Parakramaga Sadaya Murijana Hridaya Ramaga Vijayate Bhagavan Shri Raghuvamsa Sakala Charachara Mangala Karana Kalpita Dharma Rakshana Kamaga Satya Swarupaga Satya Parakrama Sadaya Murijana Hridaya Ramaga Vijayate Bhagavan Shri Raghuvamsa सुन्दरनासं सुरुचिरहासं सुन्दरनासं सुरुचिरहासं नवरश्यामल कोमलरूपं सुमुखं कुटिल कुन्तलं सञ्चलं नयनम् अवश्यं सुजना सुलभं विजयते रघुराम श्रीरघुनन्दन जननमहोत्सव जनित कुतूहल हृदयो राजा श्रीमान् सकल पुरजन सेवित चरणो दिवि भ्रमेव राजा विजयते भगवान् परस्परमागत्य सदान्तपुर महिमायं पुरवनिताः परमगम्भीरं शिशुविष्णीष्य प्रेम विमुक्ता जगुरतिविनता विजयते भगवान्
Shreya, don't share the mic. Can you sit there? Can you sit on that?
Okay. Now the Rama and Lakshmana are playing. It's such a beauty to witness, and so we can also enjoy the beauty through Sri Krishna Premanna's composition. क्रीडति दाशरथी लक्ष्मणेन क्रीडति दाशरथी कनकाम्बर कमलवदन कनकाम्बर कमलवदन कौसल्य दशरथ नन्दवर्धन क्रीडति दाशरथी लक्ष्मणेन क्रीडति दाशरथी कलपमारुह्य गजति काननं कलयन्मलया मायादिभवनं क्रीडति दाशरथी लक्ष्मणेन क्रीडति दाशरथी सोदर प्रकटित परमानुराग सोदर प्रकटित परमानुराग सरयूतीर बिहारी सुमुख क्रीडति दाशरथी लक्ष्मणेन क्रीडति दाशरथी प्रियजनगीत भव्य गुण प्रियजनगीत भव्य गुण प्रेमिक हृदय नन्दवर्धन प्रेमिक हृदय नन्दवर्धन क्रीडति दाशरथी लक्ष्मणेन क्रीडति दाशरथी
Either. The Zoom.
One person is not there.
No, Zoom is not coming through.
I just heard
I
that.
moved the number.
Yeah. Just try to move maybe a little bit. Yeah. Can you hear? Can you see everybody?
Three people.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Okay.
And now it became three again.
Yeah, it's adjusting automatically. I don't know why.
Oh,
Yeah.
and now it's correct. Now it's
Yeah. It's doing it on its own. We
correct.
didn't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Or no, you take out that one and move a little bit further.
Right. Ellen, three only go.
No, only 3 people are shown.
No, now it's.
Yeah.
But again, three?
Yeah. What you do is take out that back one and then you push it a little further. That
Okay,
way the
right.
whole coverage will be there.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Yeah, the thing is, no, it is auto-adjusting.
Foreigner. Yeah, I can see that.
Same.
दिव्यस्तंभ सहस्र मंडप वसन माणिक्य सिंहासने विश्वामित्र वसिष्ठ गौतम कनक विप्रकृताश्चाशिषः शृण्वन्तौ सह सीताया च मुदिञ्जानन्द संवर्धनौ त्वामेवं हृदि चिन्तयामि भगवन् कल्याणवेषं प्रभुम् पुण्ये लग्ने जनकभवने मण्डपे रत्नवेद्या नानावाद्य प्रकटित मगानाद सम्पूरिते च आसीनं तं स्वजन निकरैः तापसानाञ्च वृन्दैः सीतापाणिग्रहण सुमगं नौमि कल्याणरामो नौमि कल्याणरामो नौमि कल्याणरामो शोभनं सीता राघवयो शोभनं सीता राघवयो शोभनं सीता राघवयो कौशिक गौतम नन्दन वसिष्ठ वामदेवादि वलिताया कदलीत्रमुख कनक तोरण ललिताया मीरा राजसभाया शोभनं सीता राघवयो शोभनं सीता राघवयो अगणित नर नारी मण्डल भाषित मंगल वचन अलंकृते अमर वृंदावन सुलभ शान्वित मंडप मध्ये बहुललिते शोभनं सीता राघवयो शोभनं सीता राघवयो मण्डलवीणा मुरली मुरज संयुत कीर्तन नादनयुक्ते मदगजेन्द्र गामी रघुपतिः जनकसुधाकरं जयद्रथसूनुते शोभनं सीता राघवयो शोभनं सीता राघवयो श्री रघुनन्दन करकमल स्पर्श जालो स्वरस पुलकित देहा सीतामती ललिता मनुवीश मुग्धोपवती हर्षमिते शोभनं सीता राघवयो शोभनं सीता राघवयो जय रघुनन्दन जानकी रमण Sita and Rama playing together, and so they having a good time. Yeah. Rajati Raghunatha Sridaya, Rajati Raghunatha Sridaya, Rajati Raghunatha Sridaya, Rajati Raghunatha Rajarajendra Pujita Dasharatha Rajakumaro Yuvarajendra Rajaraghunaatha Sitaya Rajati Raghunatha Raga Chandra Shidara Kirana Rajita Kanaka Maya Bhavane Ramaniya Mandavarajita Ramaniya Mandavarajita Ratna Simhasane Mriduvasane Rajati Raghunatha Sridaya Rajati Raghunatha Kanakabhushana Kanakangi Sagi Ganapari Sevita Janaka Sudha Kamalakaya Vanayati Veena Kanayati Ramena Ravi Vinara Rajati Raghunatha Sridaya Rajati Raghunatha Premari Purna Mriduvachanena Pranaya Sneka Kadakshena Prihitim Vardayan Janaka Sudaya Padivanandano Jayati Harshena Rajati Raghunatha Sridaya Rajati Raghunatha Sridaya Rajati Raghunatha. Krishna, here only 3 people are shown.
அவங்களுக்கு தெரியுதா இருக்கும். That's what they're saying.
Only 3
Only 3
people are
people are shown, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know what to do.
It's changing back, but the default.
Yeah, maybe a little bit up and okay.
Why is it going up and down by itself?
Is it a laptop or?
Is it iPad?
Is the camera zooming or is
Yeah, camera auto zooming.
zooms?
Auto
Yeah,
zooming.
auto zooms.
If we have no control over. Okay. Okay, let it be let it be like that. We will just you turn it this way, little bit move further. Move
Yeah,
further.
then it becomes zoom. பெருசா காட்டுறது அவ்வளவுதான். It doesn't do anything.
No, it will cover or more people. Like,
It didn't. See, actually, when I moved back, still the 3 bigger 3, then smaller 3.
no, like you go away, then it will.
I moved away.
Okay, okay, let's go ahead.
Yeah, I didn't do that thing.
Let's go ahead, please. Okay. Can you? Okay, fine. Let's see what else we can do. It's fine. Maybe a little bit, yeah. So teeny bit position, yeah. Okay, yeah. Then it's fine. It keeps on moving. We have no control. Just go ahead, please.
You are the favorites today, so
I think it senses motion and it's moving in and out.
ಮೈಥಿಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಣನಾದಂಜ ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂದಾರ ಮಾಲಿನಂ ಮಂಗಳಾನ ಮಂಗಳಂಜ ಮಂಗಳಾನ ಮಂಗಳಂಜ ರಾಘವಂ ಶರಣಂ ಭಜೆ ರಾಘವಂ ಶರಣಂ ಭಜೆ ಮೈಥಿಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಣನಾದಂಜ ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂದಾರ ಮಾಲಿನಂ ಮಂಗಳಾನ ಮಂಗಳಾಂಚ ರಾಘವಂ ಶರಣಂ ಭಜೆ. ಅವಲೋಕಯ ಸರಿ ಜನಕ ನಂದಿನಿ ಅವಲೋಕಯ ಸತಿ ಜನಕ ನಂದಿನಿ ಅವಲೋಕಯ ಸತಿ ಜನಕ ನಂದಿನಿ ಅವಲೋಕಯ ಸತಿ ಜನಕ ನಂದಿನಿ ಮಣಿಮಯ ದೀಪ ಅಲಂಕೃತ ಸುಧಾತೆ ಮಣಿಮಯ ದೀಪ ಅಲಂಕೃತ ಸುಧಾತೆ ಮಹನೀಯ ಗರೆ ಧೂಪ ಸುಗಂಧೆ ಅವಲೋಕಯ ಸಖಿ ಜನಕ ನಂದಿನಿ ರಸಯತಿ ಸರಸಂ ನವಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾಹಾರಂ ರಸಯತಿ ಸರಸಂ ನವಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾಹಾರಂ ತಾರಯತಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಂ ಸುಮಾರಂ ಅವಲೋಕಯ ಸರಿ ಜನಕ ನಂದಿನಿ ಶ್ರೀ जानकी राघवेन्द्र श्री जानकी राघवेन्द्र प्रेमिक हृदय कुमुद चंद्र अवलोकय सखी जनक नंदिनी like a meeting, yeah. Gugan is appreciative of Vardhan's bhakti towards Rama. Bhagavagam. भागवतोत्तमो भरतदर्श भागवतोत्तमं भरतदर्श पदयुगलमभि भक्त्याभस्पर्श भागवतोत्तमं भरतदर्श पदयुगलमभि भक्त्या भगवत चरण प्रेमानुराग भगवत चरण प्रेमानुराग भक्तवरोधु भागवतोत्तमं भरतदर्श पारकाभिषेक नयनमलं साञ्जलिबद्ध करयुगलं पुलकित सर्वा That was about how Bharata is telling Shatrugna about how he does not have any sleep at all since Rama left and no Shanti for anybody in Ayodhya. शान्तं वल्कलतारिणो त्रिजडापारञ्च पद्माननो चित्मुद्राङ्गितहस्तमाश्रित जनव्यामोहसंहारकम् सानन्दं वरचित्रकूटनिलयम् संसेवितं मौनविः त्वामेव वरदाग्रजं स्मरति मे चित्तं गुरुणा गुरुं तस्य मे दासबोधस्य प्रसादं कर्तुमर्हसि अभिषिञ्चस्व चाद्यैव राज्येन भगवानिव शान्तिविदामाविका माता तत्तं राज्यविदो मम तत्तदामि पुनस्तुभ्यं यदा त्वमददा मम तत्तदामि स तवैवाहम् प्रणमति रघुनाथं वरदः प्रणमति रघुनाथं बाष्पपूरित नयन कमलः बाष्पपूरित नयन कमलः प्रसरित दीर्घ वायुगणः प्रणमति रघुनाथं वरदः प्रणमति रघुनाथं पुलकित श्याम सुन्दर गात्रः पुलकित श्याम सुन्दर गात्रः मुदजनकीर्तित पुण्यचरित्रः प्रणमति रघुनाथं वरदः प्रणमति रघुनाथम् प्रेमिक
Chitrakutam, I mean Aranya Kantam. And thank you so much for to your who sang with you. There are your disciples.
Students.
Okay. Thank you for coming and singing very nicely with full bhakti. Thank you so much. And thank you all who came here. And I would like to thank Lokshama Satsang for giving me this opportunity. Vrinda Mami, Chudamani Mami, Bon Mami, Asanta Mami.
Take a picture.
ராமாயணம் ஃபுல்லா அப்படியே பிக்சரை காட்டிவிட்டாவா நல்ல எஃபர்ட் எடுத்திருக்கா ஆனா இந்த சைடுல எல்லாம் சவுண்டு தான் கேட்கவே இல்லை கீதா சாங் மட்டும் நல்லா கேடுது அதெல்லாம் கேட்கவே இல்லை அதிகம் நல்லா
It's a very good effort for Ramayana. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, Janaki Mami. Thank you, Vrinda Mami. Today we started with Vishnu Sahasranam Stotram by Janaki